If you don't know me.
Oh, yeah, he's going to kill us all. He's going to kill us all, okay. Okay. So, today we're going to be showing every single slime I have right now. I'm going to be showing every single slime. Let's start out for the first one we ever made. It was this one. First one we ever made was this guy. He is King Eye. Yes, we have King Eye. Yes, I'm starting to name him. I'm starting to name these guys.
And this child. Don't judge.
Okay, so this is King Eye. You aren't allowed.
I'm watching you. Just so you know, I'm his friend. Don't judge me.
Okay.
Hello.
God. Okay, the next one we have
Is me. Ew.
Next one we have is the one I made today. You will give it back. I'm going to throw this at your face.
No. Okay.
Oh, guys.
It's cookie dough.
Guys, help me.
Yummy.
Guys. No, stop. They're going to kill me. Oh, no. No.
Yes. Don't worry, he just pooped his pants. He pooped out cookie dough. Came out of his pants. He's a little, if you know what I mean. Yesterday was his birthday.
It was not yesterday.
I don't know when, but I know it was.
It was 3 years ago.
He's lying. Yes.
Now.
Touch. I must touch. Oh.
Guys, help me. Help.
Just gonna rub that on him. So you know. How? I don't know him.
He knows me.
No, I don't.
Figure it out. Why would you be here then?
I'm a stranger.
Why would you be here then?
You
want to kidnap me?
I'm here to kidnap him. I don't know what he just said.
Why? Why are you here to kidnap me?
I'm not.
I heard what you said.
No, not.
I heard what you said.
Get that away from me.
Hey.
Yes! Half minute, you know it. Clap your hands.
Here, I'll get it off.
There's hair.
It's hard to get off. Here, should we go wash our hands?
This is massaging. Okay.
Okay, we need to go wash our hands. Alright, first we need to showcase all of the slimes, right?
It feels so nice.
Would you help me?
Yes. Oh, God. Here you go.
Okay, okay. Hang on. Stop for a second. I can get this off. Okay, hang on. This was a mess, guys. We made a mess.
Just so you know, you can buy this online.
No, we can't.
It's called Slimified. It's lotion.
You cannot buy it.
It makes your body so nice and smooth.
You cannot buy this online.
And if you can take all the glitter things out for a challenge. It's hard.
Okay, we need to go wash.
Biscuit win another.
Bye, guys. Sorry.
I'm farting.